What it do, YouTube, man? I'm super tired, but I am about to take my car to the speaker shop to get the speakers put in. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start real quick, and then I'm gonna drive the car up to the shop. All right, man, we on the way up here. So this scat right here is different from my other scat because this scat got the upgraded audio from factory. And my other scat, I had Alpine, or Alpine, however you say that. And this one though, we got Harman Kardon. You feel me? So the music don't sound bad in here. And it's a little bit louder in my opinion. So I think when I add the subs, it's gonna bring it all together though. But I'm gonna let y'all hear it. And this is playing off just the radio, cause my phone is, look, I'm recording off my phone. So I'm gonna put my seatbelt on real quick, man. I bet. Niggas watch you grind it up, but still mad about what you earn. What up, scratch a nigga? I like a bitch when I got a new perm. Years ago, I said I want double back. I don't even know this song for real. I just want to try to hear the music without the speakers. It's not bad. That's just a bad song. The speakers sound good, bro, but I just gotta upgrade it because that's me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna flip the camera around, give y'all a little POV until we get to the speaker shop. Big Cherokee, Trailhawk, not a Trackhawk, that's crazy. I don't even know why they put Trailhawk on a Cherokee, bro. They could have just left it a Cherokee. But y'all know what it is, man. We are on the way to the speaker shop in the big wide body with the strawberry guts, man. I say strawberry because I like strawberry, y'all. With the strawberry guts. You know something that's crazy, bro? A police officer got killed out here, like, about a week ago, maybe. It's crazy, bro. Crazy world we live in, man. I am gonna wrap this car, but I'm gonna tune it and make it louder and stuff first. Oof. Man, I can't wait to get the Brabble tune. I'm a Brabble tune it, man. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. A lot of people don't like Brabble tunes, man, but I don't really care. It's my car. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna tune it how I want to tune it, and I'm gonna do what I want to do to it. You know, Brabble tune do make it faster though. I'm actually on time today, y'all. Look, I was supposed to drop my car off at 10. What time we pulling up? 9:58. Yes, sir, ski. Down shift. Oh, she recording? Oh no, she just on the phone. Finna say. Where they at, man? I don't even see the doors open on the shop. I think they open at 10. I hope they hurry up and do my car first, though. I'm not trying to be here all day, bro. Somebody let me know in the comments how long it take to hook up speakers. Like, yeah, how long do it take to hook up subs? Because I don't know how to hook them up, so. Let me whip this thing around real fast. You know you can drive where you can hit the one finger. You see the one finger, bro? Come on now. Y'all can't hit the one finger like that. Look, one finger the whole time. Ooh. Ooh. Stop playing, man. One finger bag up the whole time. But I'm about to take my keys in here. If y'all didn't know, this is who be hooking my speakers up. Bass and Electronics. They really do a good job, bro. Honestly, like, I hadn't had a problem out of my subs since I had them. I might get one replaced though. I'm gonna show y'all why though. Hold on. I might get one replaced because one time I was doing donuts in here, bro, and I had my car wash bucket in here, and the bucket got stuck between like this and the speaker, and it almost cut into the sub. But I don't know, man. We're gonna see. I might get it replaced because I got a lifetime warranty on the sub, so, you know, we'll see what they talking about. But let me get my stuff out of here before I leave this car up here today. Make sure ain't nothing important in here, you know. We about to rock out. But we finna go up here and pick the scat up right now, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear them 212s, because y'all know it's knocking. Y'all already know that for sure. So as y'all see, man, we got the drift scat back. And you see, you know, we be sliding, so you got to get the speakers mounted down in the car so they won't slide anywhere. So yeah, we back knocking, man. You know what I'm saying? Widebody looking real good. Let me start it up, even though he just pulled it out the garage. But I'm gonna start it up anyway. Let y'all hear it. Yes, sir, speed. We back in the game, man. Y'all know what it is. I never had my bass knob turned all the way up because, bro, that's just OD, bro. I'm gonna cut some music on the hear it for myself, and then I'll put it to the car wash and let y'all hear it. Or actually, dang, I don't know how I'm gonna record the sound because I only got one phone. Oh, you can hear the sound on the Sirius. Let me see. Y'all might hear it when I hear it. First reaction. Let me go to the right channel, man. I can't play anything. This is Sirius XM2, y'all. So don't be trying to clown me for whatever come on. Where's the hip hop channel, man? What the world? Hip hop right here.
And what's trending now?
Of course it's on commercials. That's so lame, bro. All right, we're gonna drive into some music. Come on. Give y'all this like another POV. Yes, sir, ski. Hey, man, as y'all see, though, I told y'all we not playing around with this car. Y'all see it's already coming together, like, slowly but surely. Got the windows tinted already, got the exhaust done. Officially got the speakers in there now, so, hey, we getting back to where we at right now. Only thing I'm missing is, well, I got my lowering springs at home. I just got to get them put on. CarMax didn't even give me the lug nut key to get the lock off the wheel. So I can't even take the wheels off. And as you know, when they put on lowering springs, you gotta take the wheels off the car. You probably don't have to, but I don't know. I honestly don't know if you have to, but everybody I seen put on lowering springs, they take the wheels off. So I can't even get them put on until the CarMax send me the new wheel lock. And then I gotta go get these broken off. It's crazy, man. It's a whole process with that, bro. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Pull up, we poppin' outside. Y'all sitting there looking at the scat, man. Y'all already know it's beating. The scat going crazy. But no, look, I'm finna hook my Bluetooth up because I'm too excited right now. Hold on, my bad. Let me tilt that sunroof on them boy real quick, man. But let me listen to my music, man. Make sure everything sound good. Make sure everything working right, because these speakers were in the car when I had my accident, and so I didn't hear them. Really, this is my first time hearing them since the accident, so I don't know if the accident messed it up or what, but we about to see right now. I'm finna test it out. So I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I'm done doing it. Look, the scat knocking though. Dang, that's crazy. Look, it's so loud, bro. Oh my goodness. Somebody trying to get out of my trunk. That's what it sounds like. Oh, yeah. Ooh! I'm so happy right now, bro. Yeah, look, I'm so happy right now. Like, y'all just don't know, bro. Like, I love having music in my car, man. I'm telling you. Listen to... Bro, this is... I ain't gonna cap to y'all, bro. This whole process of me wrecking my car and getting another one. Hold on, I think my camera does. This whole process of me wrecking my car and getting this car, bro, has been a whole blessing, like, in disguise, bro. Like, man, I'm so grateful that God giving me the ability and allowing me to do stuff like this, bro. Like, this is, cause I know I couldn't get this without God, bro. For real, for real. If only y'all knew, like, everything, man, ain't no way. Look at this, bro. Hey, hold on, let me see what song I'm playing real quick. Uh-oh.
Fuck up out of here with that bullshit.
Let me chill if I get copyrighted. But y'all see how the subs coming. Y'all know we back knocking, man. Hold on, let me cut it. So look, let me give y'all a little tip real quick. Never open.
You hit our socials and became
Hold on. Never open your trunk while your speakers are playing full blast. It's pressure in here when the speaker's on, and so if you just open it, you let the pressure out, it mess with the speakers. But as y'all see, man, we got them 2 12s in there, ROCKFORD FOSGATE P3, you dig? I mean, my bad, P3 12s. and they really hitting, bro. Rockford Fosgate really knocking. And these were the subs that I had in my car in my accident, and they still work. And because when he hit me, the brackets, these brackets, when he hit my other car, he broke those. Like the subs weren't even connected like in there no more. So they weren't connected to the bracket no more. So hey, these subs been going through it with me, man. You feel me? We outside though. I'm actually about to wash my car right now. I'm finna go home and get my bucket and then come back up here because I can't be around here slapping like that. And the car got, you know, dirt on it and all that. You know, I can see where their hand marks is there when they was working on the car. So hey, we finna get right, man. No cap. Let's come up to the end of this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep chasing y'all dreams, man, because you can do anything you want to in this world as long as you keep God first, man. Yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all see we got the scat hooked up. Stay tuned for the next video because I might be going to a car meet this weekend, but I got other videos I need to edit too. So y'all, I don't know when this video dropping, but just know it's on the way, man. You dig?